The GoldFinch Manufacturing app can be used to set up manufactured items with components and routing services to create work orders, outside service POs, and to process output and consumptions. Click GoldFinch Items. Click on 7010. For work order items, replenishment system must be work order. Click on Item Formulas to view or update components set up for the items. Click on Item Routings to view and update both internal and external routing services for the items. For this demo, Item 9000 is an outside service item. Click on the Work Order to view existing work orders with released and finished statuses. Select on the Released view to see a list of all released work orders. Click New to enter a new work order. Type a few characters of the output item to choose 7010. All other fields are populated automatically. You can review and edit fields as needed, such as warehouse, output bin, and input bin. Enter the quantity. Scroll down to lines to see all routing and component lines are populated for the output item. Click Save. If you need to purchase outside service to process the work order, click on Insert Requisition. Click Insert Requisition Lines. Click Create Orders to create a purchase order. Click Create Orders. Navigate to the Purchase Order field and click on it to go to the PO. You can print, or email the purchase order to the vendor. When the purchase invoice arrives, click Create Invoice to create the purchase invoice. Click Edit to change quantity and unit cost if needed. Click on Post. The service cost will be posted against the work order. Navigate to the work order to view the updated capacity WIP. To report output and consumptions of the components, click Create Production Journal. Click Edit to review and update the output quantity. Click Output Tracking Lines to enter lot numbers for the output item. You can define different units of measure for the packouts. Enter lot 040821A. Change unit of measure to pound. Then enter 6 for the quantity. Go to the second line and enter lot number 040821B. Leave unit of measure as box. Enter quantity 1. Click on Save. Click Enter Lots to enter lots for the components. Click on the Lookup button on the Enter Lots field for the first line. Select 040821. Click on the lookup button again to enter lots for the second line. Select 040821. Click on Save. Then Post. Review the item ledger entries and warehouse entries to see that both output and consumption are recorded. Click on the work order field to navigate to the work order. After you finish recording all output and consumptions for the work order, click the Finish button to finish the work order. When the work order is finished, the cost of the output will be finalized. Enter the finish date, then click on Finish Work Order. Review the item ledger entries warehouse entries and GL entries.